Hey everyone, I am Md.Shamrat Miah. Today I am going to teach you how to manage DHCP protocol in a network. So basically what is DHCP? So DHCP is a one kind of protocol mode which is always used in a big network because this is not possible and it can't be possible to remember every IP from a big network. So for a DHCP protocol by this CISCO, I am making a network, very simple network. It will be for understand for beginners. So in here, CISCO, I'm taking two PC6, PC7, and I'm taking from here a router. After this router, I'm taking a switch, and now I have to use connection. So I'm taking this automatic connection from here. From this diagram, I have to now set up the DHCP protocol. So what we are doing uh, in a protocol for IP configuration. So basically, we are always using static IP like as from desktop to IP configuration, and here is the static, and we are if we given here 10.0.0.1 and the subnet mask will be automatic, we will get that. So like this, but when we have a 20, 30, 40 PC on a network with router, so at that moment this is not possible to keep this IP like this way. So we have to use DHCP connection from here. So at this moment, what we are going to do now, on DHCP, when you use the DHCP option, select. So here will be an automatic IP address like as 169.254.203 and 211. So, but if our router is in is in 10 range like as IP 10.0.0.1. So in this case, I'm going to back my PC again. In this moment, this is not possible to make a connection with 169 with 10. So here will be never make a connection for a network. So with DHCP, I have to be making here some IP address in a same range base of my router. So how can I do that? So for that, I need to be configuration for DHCP for a reliable network. So for this, I am going to double click on our router and and I'm going to configuration from here. Here is a gigabit Ethernet port 0/0/0. I have to be click on here and I have to write in here 10.0.0.10.0.0.1. This is my router IP address, and we will get our subnet mask by automatically based of our IP address. This IP address is in our class A. So, and one thing we have to be do after keep our IP address, we have to be on our router from Cisco. Okay, so router is now on. So, so at this moment, we have to be uh, make a uh, DHCP protocol. So how can we do that? So I'm clicking in here and I'm going our configuration. So from here I have to write exit again. Okay. From here, I have to be type enable. After enable, I have to be writing here configure terminal, and after configure terminal, I have to make a DHCP pool. So for this, I'm writing in here IP DHCP pool and need to be a name. So that can be R1. After DHCP pool name, I have to be mentioning here my network IP. So network should be in here 10.0.0.0. So this is not our router IP, this is our network IP, and that this network IP means that the network will cover us from 0 to 255. So here we have to be using here our default gateway subnet mask 255.0.0.0. So then we have to need enter, and after this we have to give our router IP default router, and the IP was what we have already set on router 10.0.0.1. Enter, and we need to be used in here DNS server. Our DNS server is 8.8.8.8. This server is default server for Google. So our DHCP protocol is now complete. So from here, our router IP is 10.0.0.1, and this piece is, if I'm going in here with IP configuration 10.0.0.2. So this range is not now 169. It start from 169. It start from 10. So this range is same. This range is coming here by the base of my DHCP protocol from my router IP. And if I go in here, our PC2 in DHCP 10.0.0.3, and the DNS server is our Google default server. And from here we will also see, and from here we are also see that our range is 10.0.0.2. So by this way, if I check in here, our range is 10.0.0.1. So by this way we can make a network with DHCP protocol. This is very easy and very effective if we have a 4050 networking device to make a big network with router from ISP, then we can use DHCP. We don't need to make static. So that's all. I hope for networking cybersecurity, my next video is coming, and I hope that with my next video you will also enjoy. So wish you best luck. Thank you everyone.